Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the channel. Set input gain until meters peak near -6 dB so the compressor reacts predictably. Once engaged, enable the channel compressor and dial threshold to about -20 dB. This is your first actionable change because it defines when compression starts. Then choose a ratio around 3:1 to control dynamics without squashing. Use a tack of 10 to 30 milliseconds and release between 0.3 and 1 second. Finally, add makeup gain to restore perceived loudness so levels remain balanced. Now you refine the compressor settings by listening closely while soloing the source. That way you can hear how threshold movement changes behavior. Once done, tweak attack. Faster attack tames sharp peaks, whereas slower attack preserves punch and transient detail. Next, make small release adjustments so the compressor breathes with the material. Choose shorter release for rhythm, longer for sustained vocals. Make sure the gain reduction meter moves sensibly. Steady dips indicate consistent control, while wild swings mean the threshold or ratio needs rebalancing. Finish by a /B testing. Toggle the compressor bypass and match perceived loudness with makeup gain so you judge tonal and dynamic improvements fairly. If you notice low-end pumping, engage the compressor's sidechain high pass or use gentle EQ to prevent excessive triggering. When issues arise, distortion, audible pumping, or overcompression, reduce the ratio, raise the threshold, and lengthen attack. These changes prevent abrupt gain changes. Finally, listen in context with other channels to ensure the compressed channel sits naturally in the mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.